Did you know only 1% of startups and incubators receive funding? So where do the other 99% of those rejected go when angel investors say no? If you've tried banks, incubators, angel investors, and venture capital companies with no luck, there is a new group of investors who will fund 98% of startups if they are willing to go public. Sound interesting? That's what Black Unicorn Factory does. Black Unicorn Factory is a group of pre-IPO investors who will pay all the fees to prepare your startups to go to the public stock markets and include an EB-5 visa, which gets the founder American citizenship, all without costing you a dime. If you have been turned down for funding, consider a pre-IPO investor with American citizenship included. Going public will get the capital you need to grow and expand your businesses. We have a list of reputable pre-IPO investors who are always ready to invest in startup businesses 98% of the time. Visit our website, www.blackunicornfactory.com today. Let us fund your business and get you U.S. citizenship and won't cost you a dime. Success awaits you at eb5ipo.com. Get in touch with us today.